drive from the airport
Look at straight
to
ahead.
our hotel.
That's so pretty.
And we are in Maui, running a red light.
No, we're not. Hello.
I cannot believe how beautiful it is here. It's like I knew it was beautiful, but then when you see it in real life,
It's so green. Like the greens are like a lime mint fluorescent green. It's like crazy green. So flippin' amazing. They're like these canopy tree bonsai things. They're like 50 feet tall. Look how beautiful they are.
yeah.
Oh man, I love it. Hey, a fruit stand with real pineapple.
With real pineapple.
We should do that.
You're such a nerd. What kind of pineapple have you been eating all your life?
Not real ones. Wow, get the crashing waves. Holy crap. These people swim just every day. That's all they do. They just swim.
We are near our hotel.
This can't be where we're staying. I feel like this is wrong.
I feel like I'm in the mountains, but on the beach at the same time. It's really odd.
Ritz-Carlton. No, we're here. This is it.
Got to our hotel room. Look.
Very Hawaiian.
Very Hawaiian.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we going to dinner tonight?
We're doing sushi.
We're doing sushi?
Uh-huh.
You excited for that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited for you. Even though I don't like sushi.
You like California rolls?
Yeah.
Mom, you can see another island from here.
We are at this restaurant and we are having sushi.
You don't even know what that is, but it looks good.
You excited, honey?
Yeah.
You want to take a bite?
I dare you to take a bite of that on camera. If you do one of these on camera,
what would you give me?
I'll take you to Hawaii.
Oh, really? Because I'm already here.
Yeah, I know. Look at you using the chopsticks like a pro. There's right. Come on. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Good.
So Joe and I just finished up dinner and now we're just walking around this beautiful hotel. The sun just set and I have to say real quick that sushi is really good. Who knew?
Of course it is. I've been telling you that for years, man.
Joe
like
has been trying to get me to try like legit raw sushi for the past 10 years and I haven't done it. But I thought it was gonna be like chewy, but it literally just melts in your mouth. You don't even have to chew it.
Good sushi does.
Yeah, so.
If it's not good and you have to chew, that's bad.
So yeah, that was a really good dinner. I actually had 2 of them. I'm sure the water is like nice though. I'm trying to convince Joe to go for a night swim right now.
Oh, we're going to.
Cause like nobody's down there. The entire pool is like empty. Definitely beautiful, honey. Swimming suits on. We have this entire thing to ourselves. We have to take advantage.
Okay.
Aloha. Ah. It is Hawaii day 2 or day 1 because yesterday we were only here for a few hours before it was bedtime, but it is 5:48. The nice thing about Hawaii is that it is 4 hours behind us, so 6 a.m. their time is 10 a.m. our time, so we get to wake up early while still sleeping in. So last night was absolutely amazing. I think it's probably already my favorite memory from Hawaii. Even though we haven't done the rest of the stuff, I have a feeling it's probably gonna be my favorite memory. Joe and I ran home, got in our pajamas, and went night swimming, and we had the entire pool to ourselves, and it's kind of like 4 pools and they all like waterfall into the next one. So we had the entire thing to ourselves. The weather was beautiful. We just like floated in the water and looked up at the Hawaiian stars, even though they're the same stars, but they look different in Hawaii. Today we have a really fun activity planned. We are going to go kayaking. Joe and I both picked out activities that we wanted to do in Hawaii, and this one was one of my activities. I really wanted to go kayaking, so we're headed to go do that. So we realized that we should probably eat because we're gonna be on the ocean all day. So we went to McDonald's, of all places. And we got, what is this called, honey?
Kapahaya? Haipakawa? I don't know.
Some kind of coconut pie. So we're gonna try that real quick. That's pretty darn good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like a breakfast coconut pie. We are on the side of a road, which is also a beach. This is so beautiful. And then there's the highway. So weird. So kayaking was so much fun. It really was fun, but Joe and I got crazy seasick because when you're on the kayak and the waves are coming, you're just going like that. I probably got you sick. Imagine being on the boat in the hot sun. So you're like sweating and dying and you're trying to keep up with the crowd, and you are like rowing the entire time, and you're like rowing over waves. By the time we got to the snorkeling area, Joe and I were just so sick. You look very handsome right
I got
now.
really sick, man.
Yeah.
So like it was fun, and
It was fun. I'm glad we did it.
We did a tandem kayak, which was kind of cool.
Yeah.
But,
Oh, I would have died if I was by myself.
yeah, literally.
It was good teamwork for our baby
Yeah.
moon. We learned to be there for each other when we're not feeling well, and to work together.
Let me put it this way, Brittany threw up in the water.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even say that. Yeah, so I threw up in the water. Like, I'm in the water and I was so seasick from the boat that when I got in the water and then I'm like moving like this in the waves, I just just threw up. It was just like floating all around me. It was pretty intense. And then I was worried that I was gonna get eaten by a shark because Joe got seasick in Florida when he was deep sea fishing with his dad, and they like weren't getting anything, and then he threw up, and then like all these sharks came up to the boat because they were eating his throw up. So I'm like, crap, I just killed myself. So what'd you get there, Joe?
I They got a macadamia nut crunch strawberry something.
This is his
It
drink.
actually has a cookie inside.
I think that this was more meant for a dessert.
Look, and it has like a red vines. And I guess you just...
Those are red vines? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, have some.
That
It's
is
amazing.
crazy.
It's good?
That's crazy.
Hey, you broke my straw.
Super yummy.
Oh, there's a straw here.
Aloha. We walked down to this little hut thing and we're laying down. The beach is over there. The restaurant was just down there. It's raining a little bit and we don't care. I'm just gonna take a little nap out here, outside.
In the rain.
In the rain, listening to the waves crashing.
You look beautiful. Oh, let's see your dress today. That is just chic. Tonight we're going to the place called Merriman's. It's pretty sweet. They got a sunset view that is on Maui, the most incredible view for eating. So that's gonna be sweet.
Tonight was our
What?
our luau. That's what I got in my luau dress.
No, tonight's not luau. Sunday's the luau.
Oh, I guess I'll have to wear my luau dress then too.
Twice.
Twice.
I think that dress looks real good.
Thank you, honey.
It looks so beautiful, honey. Let's just pause for a moment and take in the beauty. Click.
Click, click. Smile. So I'm gonna try sushi again because it was decent yesterday.
So this is ahi. Fresh caught ahi. This is called sashimi, I believe, because it's just the straight fish with no roll.
I've never just eaten raw fish before.
Here we go.
It's not bad. I wouldn't do it again, but it's not bad.
You wouldn't do it again? There's like 20 of those.